Today I'm going to give you the full-blown mattress cleaning tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to like maintain it, maintenance cleaning, how to get rid of some sweat stains. If you have a sweaty sleeper, this one's for you. So starting with regular maintenance, I would vacuum my mattress every month or so-ish, but I know that you're not going to do it every single month. So let's say you do it spring and fall cleaning, okay? And then also every 6 months, we want to be rotating our mattress and flipping your mattress if you can. If you have a pillow topper, you can't flip it, but at least rotate it so you don't get any divots, especially when you have a pillow top because they start to sink in. So you're gonna just vacuum it. Just using this crevice tool to get into like all of the quilting divots. I bought this thing on Prime Days because it was on sale, and it has like a laser beam. Oops, it's a vacuum. It's a mattress vacuum, and the light only goes when it touches. Can we see it? See? It has like ultraviolet blue ray lights right here, but it also it can dry it. It does mite removal. It tells you if it's clean, and it's sterilizing because we have like a UV light underneath here. So let's use it. I've used it at my house. I was actually pretty disgusted, and I have a pretty new mattress. Let's see how this one comes. So look at, we've got all of these are lit up. So we're sterilizing. We want to use dust mites. I want to see how much it gets out of this mattress because I was pretty grossed out by mine. But if you guys come back here, you can see the blue light. See? I've only done this tiny section, but like that's all like dust and skin cells. Ew. So let's do the whole thing. A lot of people have issue when I post putting a vacuum from the floor on their mattress, and they think that's so disgusting. So this is for you clean freaks. Okay, here is what's in the mattress, what we've pulled out of it. That's like dead skin cells and lint and dirt. I actually expected it to get a little bit more than that. Ooh, look it down here. Wait, hold on, can I take this off? Lots of hair. So a good way to so say you don't want to buy that newfangled whatever thing with the UV light on it. A good way to deodorize your mattress is just straight up baking soda, you guys, and we can sprinkle this on. We're gonna leave this for, I don't know, at least 20 minutes. I would even do it an hour or two. Just let it go soak in, and then we're gonna vacuum it up. I'm only doing a section because I don't want to get the mattress wet over here because I'm going to be using like stain remover right away. But this is good if you aren't working to lift off stains. Just good old baking soda. It's honestly the same concept as like those carpet deodorizers that you sprinkle on them. Baking soda gets rid of odors and smells. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some Purity stain remover on some of these stains and see if we can lift them out. This stuff doesn't have a very strong scent, which I prefer for something like a mattress. Okay, so I've done a lot of the spot stains, but it has like really bad, rings of sweat. I put some straight up peroxide in this bottle here, and I'm just gonna spray it, you guys, because I hope that just lifts it. I know it's gonna lift it. Okay, that worked better than I expected it was going to, actually. So all I used here was the peroxide, baking soda, and Blue Dawn for like the actual staining and the rings on the mattress. And then I sprayed it down with peroxide. And like all of that is gonna help deodorize it too, you guys, if it's smelly, and get like any stink out, make it fresh. And that also lifted off the stains. It looks amazing and brand new again. Let it fully dry overnight probably is best, I would say, before you put your bedding back on, and make sure you keep up with your regular maintenance, so vacuuming it, rotating it, and then try to deal with stains before they get that bad, because it's easier to lift them obviously before they're horrible. But that made for a good video. Just remember, your stuff isn't wrecked, just clean it.